Have you ever wondered if you could travel between planets?
About 15 seconds. GCPT net A, GCO net A. All stations verify ready for launch. All systems acknowledged. 3, 2, 1, and liftoff. Dragon is in orbit.
Flying up in a human-rated Dragon is not going to be an issue.
Hello everybody! SpaceX designs, manufactures, and launches advanced rockets and spacecrafts. The company was founded in 2002 by Elon Musk. Their HQ is in Hawthorne, California, United States. The Falcon 9 is a reusable rocket designed and manufactured by SpaceX. Falcon 9 is the world's first orbital-class reusable rocket. Reusability allows SpaceX to refly the most expensive parts of the rocket, which in turn drives down the cost of space access. Here is a video of it taking off and landing back on Earth.
T-minus 30 seconds.
Stage 1 tanks pressing for flight.
T-minus 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX. Godspeed, Bob and Doug.
America has launched, and so rises a new era of American spaceflight, and with it the ambitions of a new generation continuing the dream.
Stage 1 entry burn startup.
And there is that entry burn beginning. This burn lasts about 36 seconds long.
Stage 2 FTS is saved.
That entry burn continues. We're just about a minute away from SECO. We'll have a number of events all happen in rapid succession. It'll be the second engine cutoff.
Stage 1
we'll be looking for
down.
that stage 1 landing burn shortly after.
Yeah, actually, just within a few seconds of each other. It's such a cool view on your left screen, seeing Bob and Doug on Dragon. Right now you can see the displays that they are seeing right now themselves.
Terminal guidance.
MVAC throttle step.
We are coming up 25 seconds or so away from SECO, or second engine cutoff.
This is also the point where Bob and Doug are cut off.
Now we are waiting for our first stage to make its way to our drone ship. Of course, I still love
Dragon SpaceX nominal orbital insertion.
Launch escape confirmation nominal orbital insertion.
Nominal orbital insertion.
And what you're seeing on your screen is a live view of our drone ship, where our first stage will be coming down. Looks like we lost that live view, but we'll wait for confirmation of that landing shortly here.
Falcon 9 first stage is successfully landed.
And there you can see on your screen, Falcon 9 has landed. This is the first Falcon 9 to carry humans to orbit, so very exciting for us.
The next rocket is the Falcon Heavy. The Falcon Heavy is the most powerful operational rocket in the world. The Falcon Heavy can lift more than twice the payload of the next closest operational vehicle, the Delta IV Heavy. With more than 5 million pounds of thrust at liftoff, Falcon Heavy is the most capable rocket flying. By comparison, the liftoff thrust of the Falcon Heavy equals approximately 18 747 aircrafts at full power. Falcon Heavy can lift the equivalent of a fully loaded 737 jetliner, complete with passengers, luggage, and fuel, to orbit. Here is a video.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition, liftoff.
SpaceX has launched the most powerful rocket in the world again. This is SpaceX's Falcon Heavy. It's launching for the second time in history, but this time, its cargo is something far more valuable. SpaceX first launched its Falcon Heavy in 2018 when it carried Elon Musk's Tesla Roadster into space. But this maiden launch, while successful, was a test. So if anything went wrong and the cargo was lost, SpaceX customers wouldn't take a hit. Today's launch has much more on the line, and not just for SpaceX. Because this is the Falcon Heavy's first ever commercial launch. It's carrying a communications satellite for the Saudi Arabian company Arabsat. Once in place, the satellite will reportedly provide television, internet, and phone to customers in the Middle East, Africa, and Europe. Capable of lifting around 140,000 pounds into space, the Falcon Heavy is the most powerful operational rocket in the world, and the second most powerful in history, bested only by the Saturn V.
Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Those are the rockets that launched Apollo astronauts to the moon more than 45 years ago. But unlike the Saturn V, SpaceX has a more modern approach to rocket launches, because its Falcon Heavy is made up of 3 individual, reusable rockets, all 3 of which SpaceX landed shortly after its launch. 2 of the rockets returned to a landing platform at Kennedy Space Center, while the third headed towards a barge offshore in the Atlantic. To compare, Saturn V rocket engines fell and sank to the bottom of the ocean after launch, so not reusable to say the least. And each Saturn V costs up to $189 million to launch in 1969.
So huge, so powerful, so different that no ordinary modern name would suffice. They named it Saturn.
That's $1.23 billion in today's dollars. It costs between $90 to $150 million to launch a single Falcon Heavy rocket, according to CNBC. And already reports indicate that SpaceX has collected a number of contracts for its Falcon Heavy. Its launch manifest is currently worth an estimated $500 to $750 million. So this won't be the last time we see the Falcon Heavy.
The Dragon spacecraft is capable of carrying up to 7 passengers to and from Earth orbit and beyond. It is the only spacecraft currently flying that is capable of returning significant amounts of cargo to Earth. and is the first private aircraft to take humans to the space station. Here is a video of the Dragon spacecraft.
Launch check countdown net. Pad is clear. Go for launch.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition, liftoff.
Confirmed. MVAC ignition. Dragon, separation confirmed. Visually confirmed. Mains have been deployed.
Bye everyone. See you next time. Hello everybody. Today we're going to make a cheesecake. This is 120 grams of biscuit and I have to now crush this. Actually, you know what? I'm actually going to switch this bowl too. I'm going to switch a bowl. Crush it. So this bowl is actually a bit too small. We're gonna dump it in this big one. Okay, everybody. As you can see right now, I've almost crushed it into little crumbs. And then we have to put all these biscuit crumbs into this pot here. Okay, I think it's ready. Now, add 60 grams of melted butter, eh? Okay, I'm gonna get the butter from the fridge. It's like paste already. It turned into paste. I need it. There we go. We need about 60 grams. Where's my weigher? I need my scale thing. Thank you. Here. Okay. Now into a very, very, very liquidy form. Now, pour all this stuff into the bowl. There. Okay, now I need this. We're now going to mix. Oh no, actually. Okay, as you can see, we've mixed everything together, and it has become a crummy mess. I'm actually gonna taste it. It tastes very good. Siri, no, I don't want you. Now we want to put it into this pan. Okay, let's do that. Okay, oh no. I'm gonna put it closer to me. Okay, everybody, I just poured all the biscuit crumbs into this pot. And now I'm trying to make it flat, even. Okay, everybody, this is my mom here, and she's wrapping the pot in tin foil. She's wrapping the pan or pot or whatever this thing is, liner, in tin foil. As you can see here. Okay, everybody, I just put 400 grams of cream cheese in this pot, and now I have to stir it. Okay, I'm adding sour cream now. I need about 200 grams of it. This is 60. It's 108. Who cares though? Okay, I'm gonna add this to my bowl. Now I'm just gonna stir this. I just added whipping cream to this, so it looks like this now. Now I have to keep stirring. Okay, I just cracked open an egg. Now this is going to be my second. Let's try this. Okay. Okay. Now third egg. Actually, my fingers kind of hurt now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, 5. Oh my god. Okay, I just poured in 3 eggs. I have to wash my hands now. Okay, now what are the instructions again? Okay, after that, I'll just pour this inside, okay. So it goes here. All these eggs. Sorry. Pour these in. Okay, now it's time to stir again. Okay, now I have to add in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now we have to add vanilla extract. 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Okay, I just squeezed out all the juice from this lemon, and it's now in this bowl. So now I have to put it in this bowl. So let me first put it in here. Now, we have to slowly but surely Okay, now I'm going to pour all this stuff into that thing. Okay, now I'm going to put this thing into the oven and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Okay everybody, our cake has finished baking. I already ate some, but this is what it looks like. It tastes like a normal cheesecake, but I think we added too much sour cream because it's a bit too sour. I'm gonna actually eat some. Oh my god, it fell. Come back here. Yeah. It just tastes like a cheesecake, a normal cheesecake. And the bottom bit, which is biscuit crumbs, tastes like biscuit crumbs. So, bye everybody. See you next time.